Finnish Curd Cake. A dessert from Finland. Serves 4. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. Butter the baking dish, pie pan, or springform pan until generously coated. Step 2. Sprinkle the crumbs as needed into the pan, then turn the pan around and shake gently, distributing the crumbs along the sides as well. Step 3. The crumbs should completely coat the inside of the pan. Chill briefly to set the crumbs and then fill with the desired filling. Cake. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Sift together the flour and baking powder and set aside. In a large mixing bowl, press the cottage cheese and the sugar until they are frothy. Step 5. Add the spices and fruit rinds. Step 6. Add the cottage cheese and blend all the ingredients well. Step 7. Stir in the butter, then add the dry mixture, mixing well. Step 8. Pour the mixture into the prepared crust and bake for 1 hour. Note, again, this is more like a quick bread, and you can increase the sugar if you like, as this is not particularly sweet. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.